at umangay kagkaptan ang tuko makabot sa isa kag isa. Hindi mo kuya-kuya kay kasto na pala ko. Sige. We have gathered together as family and friends and witness to join Roy Gargar Andales and Diana Limpiado in Lunar in the bonds of holy matrimony marriage. Marriage is ordained of God and is most sacred relationship. Roy Gargar Andales, do you take Diana Limpiado in Lunar as your lovely wedded wife, and do you of your free will and choice covenant as your companion and lawfully wedded husband, that you will cleave unto her and none else, that you will observe all the laws and vows and obligation pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and that you will love and honor and cherish her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Kahagpo ko. Sister, hindi mo uya-uyahan, hindi mo kapernehan. Diana Limpiado in Lunar, do you take Roy Gargar Andales as your lovely wedded husband, and do you, of your own free will and choice, covenant as his companion and lawfully wedded wife, that you will cleave unto him and none else, that you will observe all the laws and vows and obligation pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, that you will love, honor, and cherish him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Okay. At this moment, I will now give the chance to give the vows and rings sa mag-asawa.
Daw si Gardo Versosa ba? Daw si Gardo Versosa.
Panangbuhod niyo pa ni kagabi para ihambal sumo. Sige, Madroy.
Then, take this ring as a symbol of my love. Kapag naman, take this ring as a type of my life.
Sige, now, ihatag naman natin ang band sa kay sister para ihatag man ang iyang mga tinaga sa kay brother.
There, where this ring, symbolize ang akong pagkakas sa iyo. Since, wala na kami kita. Thank you. With Father and Son.
Amen. So, okay lang kung mag-ibig ang babae, hindi lang ang lalaki. Hindi lang ang lalaki, delikado kung lalaki ang mag-ibig. Kaya hindi magugat. Pero hindi pa, tama pa man ang coke ni brother, so why problema? Hindi. Sige. So now, by the virtue of the legal authority vested in me, as an elder of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I pronounce you Roy Gargar Andales and Diana Limpiado in Lunar, husband and wife, legally and lawfully married for the period of your mortal lives. You may now kiss your